Good morning, children. How are you? These days, we are doing the chapter division. And yesterday, we had learned properties of division. Properties of division, in which we learned dividing a number by itself, dividing a number by 1, dividing 0 by a number, dividing a number by 0. And today we will learn division of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit divisors. And for this, for division, we use multiplication tables, right? To divide, we use multiplication tables. Our question is, find the quotient of each division and verify your answer. That means we have to find the quotient and we also have to check our answer. क्वेश्चन भी फाइंड आउट करना है और अपना आंसर भी चेक करना है, वेरीफाई करना है कि आंसर ठीक आया या नहीं आया. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 840 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 and we have to check our answer also. So first of all, we will arrange the numbers as shown in the slide. Next, we will divide 800s by 4. Now 800s divided by 4 is equal to 200s. So write 2 in the hundreds place in the quotient. Quotient is written above the dividend. Dividend के ऊपर हम quotient लिखते हैं, you know it. Now, next, what will we do? We will write 8 below 8 given in the dividend. So, we will write 8 here because 4 2s are 8. After writing 8 below the dividend 8, we will subtract them. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, we will bring down 4 tens. 4 tens को हम नीचे लेके आएंगे and we will divide it by 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So we have got 1 10. So we will write 1 in the tens place in the quotient, means we will write 1 above 4, which is given in dividend. Now next we will write 4 in the tens place because 4 ones are 4. And where will we write it? We will write under 4, which is our dividend. 4 tens were our dividend. We will write under it 4. And now we will subtract these 4s. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And next we will bring down 0. 0 present in 1's place. Now both the zeros are present there. That means we cannot divide the sum further because we cannot divide 0 by any number. So we will put a 0 in quotient also in 1's place. So this way we have completed our division and we have got quotient, that is 210, and remainder here is 0. Now let's verify our answer. And for verification, we have a formula, that is quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, and it should be equal to dividend. अब हमारा quotient क्या है? 210. Divisor is 4. And remainder we have got 0. And dividend here is 840. So we have put the values of quotient, divisor, remainder and dividend here. Now we will multiply 210 by 4. And in result we got 840. 840 plus 0 is equal to 840. So because we have got 840, which is our dividend, so our answer is verified. Our answer is correct. Now next example is 674 divided by 7. Now after dividing, we have to verify our answer also. So now we will arrange the numbers as shown in the slide and we will start division. Now 6 hundreds are given. We cannot divide 6 by 7. So we will regroup and consider 6 hundreds and 7 tens as 67 tens. 67 को एक साथ लेके फिर हम 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे. Now 67 tens divided by 7 is equal to 9 tens and the remainder will be 4 because 7 nines are 63. So we will write 63 under 67. And also we will write 9 as quotient in tens place. We will not write 9 in hundreds place. We will write 9 in tens place. 7 के बिल्कुल ऊपर आएगा 9. 6 के ऊपर नहीं लिखना है. Right? Now 67 minus 63 is equal to 4. And now next we will bring down 4 ones. Right? We will bring down 4 ones. 4 was already present in tens place, which was remainder, and we have brought down 4 also in ones place. So the number becomes 44. So that means we have got 44 ones. So we will divide 44 ones by 7. Now 44 divided by 7 is equal to 6 ones and 2 will be as remainder. So we will write 6 in the ones place in the quotient. 4 के बिल्कुल ऊपर हमने 6 लिखना है. जो डिविडेंड में 674 का 4 है उसके बिल्कुल ऊपर हम 6 लिखेंगे. So now we have completed our sum and we have got 96 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Now we have to verify the answer also. हमें answer check भी करना है. So again we will write the formula for verification, that is quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, that is equal to dividend. Now quotient is 96, divisor is 7, remainder is 2 and dividend is 674. Let's check that 96 और 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आएगा, जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा, उसमें 2 ऐड करने के बाद हमारे पास 674 आता है या नहीं. So 96 multiplied by 7 is 672. Now 672 plus 2, which is remainder, 672 plus 2 is equal to 674, which is our dividend. So our answer is correct. Hence verified. मतलब हमने verify कर लिया. So children, that's all for today. Now you have to do question number 1 to 8 of exercise 5C in your notebook. Question number 1 to 8 of exercise 5C. Thank you so much.